buildings were added in 2002, celebrating the Queen's Golden Jubilee. And we pass beneath a railway line at the same time above a railway line. So underneath the river now are the London Underground's Bakerloo and Northern lines. They run parallel, going underneath the river itself. The building to your right, behind the trees there, that is Whitehall Court Mansion. This is home to the 5-star Royal Horse Guards Hotel. Lots of luxury apartments in there as well, very expensive, luxurious riverside properties. And next on your right, the building with the flags up, the flags flying there, that is the MOD, or Ministry of Defence building. So the headquarters for the Army, the Royal Navy and the Royal Air Force. Nicknamed the Iceberg, as there's said to be more of this building underground than there is above ground. So it's got like a subterranean iceberg-like structure. The ship on the right, the pub on the Thames, the Tattershall Castle. This was a paddle steamer ferry on the River Humber, originally in the northeast of England. When this first arrived in London, it was opened as an art gallery. As you can see, a very different sort of artists attends the ship today. So they turned it into a floating pub. It wasn't very successful as an art gallery, so they converted it into a floating pub. It is a nice place to visit. The Golden Eagle, up to your right, is a monument or a memorial for the brave airmen and women who sadly lost their lives and served in the First World War and in every conflict since. So it is a war memorial for the RAF. And up to your left, the London Eye. The London Eye, London's most popular tourist attraction. 26 years old now, so it was open for the Millennium celebrations. There are 32 pods or capsules around the outside of the wheel. It's not a random number, 32. Each one represents one of the 32 boroughs of Greater London. So as I say, the capital city, it's the 1 square mile. But London today is comprised of the 32 surrounding boroughs. And that's what you see from the top of the London Eye, the entire Greater London area. So a distance of up to 25 miles. But I probably wouldn't bother today. It's a little bit hazy, a little bit misty, so maybe not the best views today. Maybe go to the Sky Garden instead. So, as I say, that's a free public viewing gallery. And ahead of us now, the Houses of Parliament, the new Palace of Westminster. So it is a royal palace, and it belongs to the Crown. However, the King allows Parliament to sit inside. Now, the tower in the distance at the far end with the flag flying, that is called the Victoria Tower. Now, this was named after Queen Victoria, who finally opened the palace in 1870, and that is the monarch's entrance into the palace itself. The tower in the middle with the church steeple, this is the St. Stephen's Tower, towering above the St. Stephen's Chapel within the palace itself. And then the famous clock tower that everybody calls Big Ben. This is the Elizabeth Tower. That was formerly the Westminster Tower. They renamed it officially in 2012, celebrating the Queen's Diamond Jubilee, her 60th year. So Big Ben, it is the nickname given to the 13.5-ton bell inside the tower. And Big Ben the bell, it goes on the hour and on the hour only. So you can't actually see Big Ben, at least not from here, but you can hear it. Everybody calls it Big Ben, internationally recognised as Big Ben. Now, the Houses of Parliament, as I say, the new Palace of Westminster, the old palace, it burned down in 1834. A competition was then held, and this was the winning design, designed by Augustus Pugin and Charles Barry, commissioned in 1836. So, as I say, the old palace, it burned down, and this was the winning design. It's made entirely from York stone in a neo-Gothic style. So it's a neo-Gothic style of architecture. Now we are going to make our way over to Westminster Pier on your right. Okay, just waiting for a little bit of river traffic, and when it is safe to do so, we'll make our way over. Now please be advised, there may be a bump. Okay, we are here for your safety, so just in case there's a slight bump, we do recommend you remain seated.
You're seated though.
Now before you leave us, have a little look around you, make sure you've got all your bags, cameras, shopping. Okay, don't leave anything behind to spoil your day. Thank you very much for travelling with us today. Really hope you've enjoyed yourselves on the City Alpha. Hopefully the few words from the live commentary along the way have made a difference. Hopefully it's added to the experience. As I mentioned at the beginning, we're not tour guides, we are
Ayan,
crew
tayo
members.
bababa lang.
Okay, but we like to make the effort.
Tapos sakay na lang
Because we
tayo
do
ng
these
bus.
voluntary, we do have an old tradition. You will see me at the exits. I'll be there with our captain's lucky tip bucket. Small silver champagne ice bucket will be with me at the exits. And if you have enjoyed it and you'd like to show your appreciation, then anything is welcome. The English banknotes, euros, dollars, and a contactless payment, all accepted and all greatly appreciated. So really hope you've enjoyed it, whatever the outcome. It's been a pleasure. And have a nice time here in London. Thank you.
Thank you. Yan, bababa na tayo. Dami picture nila. Sit down ka muna.
Ganda naman ng work mo. Pasyal lang kayo dito.